Alright, this is Lykke hydrogen water machine. So like ionizer machine, this machine also have lot of benefits. What happens is you will be getting infused hydrogen water, which is very beneficial for your body. For cancer patients, for diabetes patients, because this hydrogen water, infused water is microclustered, has a very high negative ORP, and hydrogen plays a crucial role in controlling diseases like cancer, diabetes, thyroid. Basically what happens is it increases our immunity, it increases our digestion. So these are the benefits of hydrogen machine. What we'll do is we'll show you 3 levels and what ppb is. Basically this is a hydrogen meter. This measures the hydrogen inside the water through ppb, parts per billion. So let me start the machine first. So now I am taking out level 1. Let's check out what is the ppb of level 1. I'm switching off the machine now. See the color of the water at level 1. This is dissolved hydrogen inside the water. See the level is rising. It is going up to 568, 570, 573. So it will go up to 600 ppb at level 1. So next we'll take out the hydrogen from level 2.
Water level 2.
Again we'll wait for 5-10 seconds so that the previous water gets flushed out.
Hydrogen water level 2.
Switching off the unit. See the level have increased. At level 1 we were getting around 580 ppb. At level 2 it is going around 800 to 900 ppb. It's increasing. It can go up to 1000 ppb also, but that depends upon the TDS of the water. So it is 821 ppb. This is a hydrogen tester. We took out level 3 water from our machine and we'll be testing. What happens is 1 drop is equal to 100 ppb, and if the color becomes blue, then you don't require more. See, the color of blue is dissipating, so it has 100 ppb. Now 1 more drop. So color will basically disappear, 200 ppb. 3 drop, the color will disappear again. See, blue color is disappearing inside this water, 300 ppb. 4 drop, 400 ppb. 5 drop, 500 ppb. 6 drop 600 ppb, 7 drop 700 ppb of water, 8 drop 800 ppb. Right now the blue color is not coming inside it. 9 drop 900 ppb. See, again the color got vanished, blue color got vanished. 10 drop means 1000 ppb. Again it is getting vanished. See, whole color is becoming transparent. 11th drop again, it is a very light color. It has dissolved all 11th, so it has 1100 ppb. So what we'll do is we'll put one more drop inside it and see. Now you can see the color is not dissolving. The blue color is not dissolving inside it. So as you can see, I have put 12 drops inside the level 3 of our machine. So this machine gives an output of 1200 ppb. Okay. So this is how you test hydrogen inside your machine. I am drinking the water from this machine. So as I have informed you before that this machine has lots and loads of benefits for your health. You get dissolved hydrogen inside your body. Basically, the main purpose of using hydrogen inside our body is it has anti-aging properties. It has a mechanism to fight oxidative waste inside your body. See the milky white water I am drinking from our machine. Perfect. So best part of our hydrogen machine is complete. There is basically two outlets, but nothing's come out from the drain. So your water is not wasted like other ionizers. Your water is not wasted in hydrogen machine. You will get the complete output of 2 liters, 3 liters. So the water from this machine is not wasted, and it is very easy to handle. See, this is level 1, which will give you around 5 to 600 ppb, level 2 around 800 ppb, level 3 around 1200 ppb. And then you get oxygen water also for beauty water purpose. And it has a cleaning mode, machine will auto clean itself. Thank you.